What do I got?
Cookie jar.
Cookie jar.
Yeah, we're opening up.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, this is what we've got. We have got the 35-piece Just Like Home cookie jar storage set. Ah, so excited.
I'm so excited.
I know, you really, really wanted this. We saw this at Toys R Us and we had to have it. Let's open this bad boy up. All right.
Paper.
Here we go. Let's see if we can get the top off now. All right.
Open cookie jar.
There you go. Open it up.
Open it out.
Oh my gosh. What all's in here? So it comes with cups. And it's got milk.
Oh,
Let's see.
a donut.
Oh, yeah. Here's your plate.
Cookies.
Your serving platter.
Cookies.
Oh, yeah. Tristan's opening up the cookies.
The cookie in there.
And it's got 4 plates. Serving platter.
And whitey pops.
Yeah. Candy and cookies. Oh my gosh, it comes with little straws.
And 2 and 3. And one more lollipop.
Up and 4.
It's so lollipop. I want it.
I'm opening up the cups.
Okay.
There's 2 of them. Mmm, yummy.
Okay, you like this?
Yeah. I'm gonna put it back in the cookie jar.
Yeah.
That'll be nice because now we have something to store your stuff in.
Cookie.
Here's the other 2 cups.
Well, a cookie.
They're right here.
Oh.
Let's put them on the serving platter.
Oh.
There's the cookies. Oh, they're so cute.
Look.
Why are you putting it all back in there, silly?
I get some tea pocket.
Oh, okay. You're gonna get it all back out again?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
There's some more cups.
So we have regular white milk. Tristan, what's that on there? Is that a cow? What's a cow say? Moo. Good job.
I'm gonna get too much.
I know, there's so much. Oh, and here's the serving platter. I don't think that's gonna fit. Yeah, cool. I think that's gonna take some work to try to fit it all in there. All right, can I have some cookies and juice, please?
Okay.
I would like milk with my cookies.
Here's some cookie. Here's some chocolate.
Yeah, I do. I want a chocolate chip cookie, please.
I'll put on the plate. There you go.
Thank you.
And more cookie. More cookie.
I don't know. Can I also have some heart-shaped cookies, please?
Oh, okay. There's some candy, and more candy, and more candy, and more candy. And we want some donuts. Okay, we want some one.
We can have a tea party. It has 4 of these heart-shaped cookies.
And put it in there.
And they don't go, they're not a sandwich. They're just 4 cookies, silly.
Oh no. I can pick them.
Apparently they're cookie sandwiches. Okay. And then it has 4 of these cookies.
There.
4 of these little cookie candy things.
All the cookies.
Sprinkles. And then it has these little box cookies.
Okay, let's push. Some more.
Great job.
Let me put some.
Thank you.
You have chocolate milk.
Yeah, I'll take some chocolate milk too. You can pour it in this cup, please. Oh, thank you. Oh, I need a straw.
I need some more milk for my cup.
Oh, here.
There it is.
There it is. There's your cup. Look.
There. I can draw.
Mmm.
Let's eat all the cookies.
Let's eat all the cookies.
More sauce.
This is gonna be so
Straws.
delicious.
Or sauce.
Yep.
Mommy, I want some cookies over there. Okay, we'll put them in the cookie jar.
All right, are we all done? We're gonna put them back in the cookie jar?
Yeah.
All right. I had a fantastic tea party with you. I really enjoyed the cookies.
I eat all.
I ate it all. It was so delicious.
Okay. There it is.
And 4. There's 4 of each.
It's a Wally candy. You done eat this?
Oh, yep, I'm done with my milk. Thank you.
You done this?
Yep, I'm done with that cup too.
You done this?
Uh-huh. Done with all of my everything.
And you done this?
Yep.
You done this?
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's a plate back there. And a cup.
Oh. Oh, you want this?
Oh, yep, I'm done with that too.
Oh, here it is.
All right.
You done?
Yep.
Let me carrot for my dinner. There.
So did you like your new cookie jar?
Yeah!
Is that your favorite thing that we got today?
Yeah!
All right, say bye guys.
Bye guys!
See you next time.
See you next time.
Say like and subscribe
Bye bye.
to Two Brothers Play.
To my friend!
All right, good job. Bye.